If you're looking for a quick and easy way to use forms to collect speaker or guest submissions, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the steps so you can start receiving submissions in no time. First, why would you want to use forms? Whether you're organizing an event, a podcast, or even a conference, getting submissions from potential speakers or guests can be a hassle. But with the right tool, you can streamline the whole process and save time. Today, I'll show you how to do that with a simple form. So let's jump into it. To get started, you'll want to choose the right software. There are tons of options out there, but after testing several popular ones, I'm going to show you the software we'll be using in this video. It's simple, user-friendly, and best of all, you can try it for free with an exclusive trial link in the description. Now, let's set up the form. First, you'll need to create a new form in the software. Look for a template that fits your needs. Something with the basic structure to collect the info you need, like name, contact details, and any relevant submission content. If you're collecting speaker or guest submissions, you may want to include questions like, what's your area of expertise? Or why would you be a great guest? Once your form is set up, you'll need to customize it. Add any specific fields you require, and make sure the form is easy to follow. No one wants to fill out a form that's hard to navigate. Keep it short and relevant to the submission process. You don't want to overwhelm people with too many questions, so be selective with what you ask. Next, configure the settings. Most forms allow you to set up email notifications, so whenever someone submits their info, you'll be notified. This is important because it helps you stay on top of incoming submissions in real time. You can also integrate the form with your calendar or project management tools if needed. Now it's time to share the form. You can embed the form on your website, share a direct link through email or social media, or even integrate it with your CRM or email marketing platform to collect and organize the data. This is where the magic happens. People start submitting their details, and you can start reviewing them. Finally, don't forget to keep track of your submissions. You'll want to review each one and respond promptly. Whether you're selecting a speaker, guest, or both, you'll want to communicate next steps with them quickly and professionally. To wrap it up, the key takeaway is that using forms to collect speaker or guest submissions is an incredibly efficient way to stay organized and ensure you're getting all the necessary details up front. It saves you time and keeps everything in one place. Here's a quick recap. Choose the right software. Set up your form with relevant questions. Customize it for your specific needs. Configure email notifications. Share the form with your audience. Keep track of your submissions. Before I close, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below. It's a great way to follow along with this tutorial and start collecting submissions right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.